Hey everybody, this is Heather from Hojo's Teaching Adventures and the Academic VA. So I just wanted to come on today to show you a quick how-to video about how to install the Yoast SEO plugin. I've gotten this question a few different times and I just wanted to show all the WordPress users out there just how easy it can be. So to get started, you would just go to your blog, and from there I need to sign into my dashboard. So for me, I'm already signed in, so I can just go to dashboard. Then I come down here on the side and I have plugins. All right, so the first thing I always recommend is there's this option to search installed plugins. Sometimes we've installed something and then we forget about it, but you can tell I do not have Yoast, Y-O-A-S-T. So I'm going to come back over here to plugins and click on add new. And then I'm going to search over here, pretty easy. So just Yoast, Y-O-A-S-T. Okay, and right here, this top one, right here, this is the Yoast SEO plugin. And they have changed the look of the plugin a few times. So if you're watching this like a year down the road or something, just look at the one that has like 1 million active installations, because you'll see the other ones aren't nearly as many. So I'm going to click Install Now. And then from there, I will activate it. Perfect. Okay, so now just to make sure it's working, I'm going to go into posts and go to all posts, and I'm just going to check and make sure it's there. Okay, I want to make sure. I'm going to go to my last actual live post. I'm going to click on edit just to make sure. Now, if I scroll way down past the actual post, right here, I have the Yoast SEO plugin. So, and as you can see, I've got my readability and my SEO are both green. So we are all good in that regard. All right, if you would like even more basic SEO tips for either your Blogger blog or your WordPress blog, I would love for you to check out my SEO course called SEO Basics for the Teacher Author. You can find that at this bit.ly link right here. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to send me leave a comment, send me a message down here below, or you can always email me too. My email is info@heatherfergen, FERGEN.com. Thank you so much. I hope you found this tutorial on how to install Yoast SEO helpful. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.